Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tanx. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change for u. ds over cosine s squared we change for du. And now we have the formula in here. So this one we have like this. About u, that is about tanx. This is the end. Thank you for watching.